Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making pineapple chicken. Without further ado, let's get started. First, take 300 grams of chicken breast and cut it into these perfect little bite-sized cubes. Pop them in a mixing bowl and season with 3 grams of salt and 2 grams of sugar. Now here's the secret to that restaurant-style texture. Coat it with some cornstarch, slurry, drizzle in 10 milliliters of oil, and give everything a good mix. Let this hang out for 15 minutes to soak up all that goodness. We're gonna cut 10 grams each of red and green bell peppers into these cute little diamond shapes. They're gonna look so pretty in our dish. Crush and mince 10 grams of garlic. Chop up 10 grams of scallion whites and dice 150 grams of fresh pineapple into juicy chunks. Heat up some oil in your wok until it's nice and hot. About 70% heat is perfect. Toss in that marinated chicken and stir it around until it changes color. Once it's done, scoop it out and set it aside. Leave just a bit of oil in that wok and throw in our garlic and scallions. Listen to that sizzle, folks. That's the sound of flavor happening. Then in go our colorful bell peppers and pineapple chunks. Give everything a good stir. Pour in 200 milliliters of water. Add 3 grams each of salt and sugar and 10 grams of tomato sauce. Mix it all together. We're creating that perfect sweet and sour balance here. Finally, add our chicken back to the party. Give it a few good stirs and thicken it up with some cornstarch slurry until it's got that gorgeous glossy sauce coating everything. And there you have it, a restaurant quality pineapple chicken that's gonna make your taste buds dance. Friends, you must try our pineapple chicken. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time,